Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to add special characters to a Google Docs page, more specifically how to add currency symbols. So that's the example I'm going to be showing, how to add a dollar symbol, a euro symbol, a pound symbol, etc. So to add special characters to Google Docs page, what you need to do is go up to Insert, go down to Special Characters, and then this box is going to appear for you. It's going to show you all the special characters you can select from. But you can also search for them. So if I wanted to search for the dollar symbol, I would just type in dollar, and then I can see here all the symbols that they have for the dollar symbol. But if I don't know what the symbol is called, like I've seen it before, for example, the euro. I know it kind of looks like this, and I can draw it out. It looks like that. I can go up here, I can draw it, and then I can go and see what examples come from that drawing. And I can see over here that they do have a euro symbol. So if you don't know the name of the symbol you have, you can actually just draw it out and Google will search and find that symbol for you as well. So it's pretty cool. And that is a quick video on how to insert special characters, more specifically dollar symbols and money symbols, currency symbols, in a Google Docs document. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I hope to see you all in future quick videos.